is into research, development, production, and distribution of wellness and personal care products. In partnership with world-class, what did I say? In partnership with world-class manufacturing companies in the US, UK, China, Malaysia, and Switzerland. So we're not a company that is just from the blues. Beware of companies that do not have address. Hello? I said beware of companies that do not have address. They do not have background, nothing to say about them. You just hear they'll just talk something, but nothing to really commit themselves, so that when they disappear, nobody will look for them. Okay, so thank God this company is not like that. Our vision is simple. Okay, to become a world-class manufacturing company with the largest distributors and direct sales agents network. Our mission is very simple: to save one and save many. How do we do it? You know, when a company says save one, save many, that means the company can boldly beat their chest that we have product. It is not possible that you use this product that you will find yourself talking to another person about it. So when you save one, when you are saved, what do? You save others. You run to tell your testimony. You run to share your testimony. So our vision is to become, our mission is to save one, save many by improving their health with our product. Like I said earlier on, there's know-how you would use. For those who have used the product, am I saying your mind? Because sometimes when people come for a program like this, they'll be like, especially people who have been battered in one network or the other. They'll be like, what's so then they do? And so I challenge you, after this program, test the product. You find yourself saving more of your neighbors. We know what we're talking about. So we said with our products and helping them to achieve financial freedom with our business model, trainings. Run from any company that does not have training. They don't have anything to offer. But a company that says we are committed, want to train you to become better, to become financially independent, to become to be better health-wise. Embrace such a company that's ready to help. Okay? Sorry. Okay, Enterprisers Nextlevels and Wellness Marketing Company was officially launched 18th of September 2022. And just somebody like, just yesterday, yes. Well, what this company has accomplished in these few months, we are yet to be a year old. So you can imagine what will happen in the next 5-6 years. We mean business. Somebody say we mean business. Okay, so we invite and welcome entrepreneurs from all parts of the world to be part of our vision and our mission of promoting wellness, quality organic products that delivers bold results. Okay? And our commitment to raising financially independent entrepreneurs. Who is ready to walk this race with us, to run this race with us? Okay. Now, we have our core value, loyalty. We are committed to grow our business and fulfilling our obligation to our stakeholders, including our customers, business partners, and brands. Okay, so if you look at that, we say we are committed to what? To growing our business and fulfilling our obligation to stakeholders. There are stakeholders in this business. You know, if you know, you know. Okay, then we have the customers who are using the product and are satisfied. See, when I say this product, I'm not to talk about product, please. But when I talk about this product, they are products that when a customer used, from a sister of mine got someone from UK just by uploading the product, right? And someone just said, I came to Nigeria, I use this product, I need it now. I am in the UK, how do I get this product? So when a customer is satisfied, definitely we get more customers. Okay, then we are, another watchword, our core value is integrity. We are guided by a strong corporate governance and good business ethics to build a foundation of trust. Never ever partner with anyone that has nothing to do